Hello children, welcome to Junior Maths Olympiad online class. In today's class, we are going to discuss about 8th class comparing quantities chapter. So from this chapter children, let's start with level 1 practice sheet questions. So these all questions will be helpful while you are attempting any kind of mathematics Olympiad exam children. So please listen carefully. Here is the first question. A sum of money at compound interest yields rupees 200 and rupees 220 at the end of first and second years respectively. Means a certain amount of money, if we consider compound interest, it will give 200 rupees at the end of first year, 220 rupees at the end of second year. So then what will be the rate percent? Means if they calculate compound interest at what percentage, then at first year it will become 200 and second year it will become 220. That percentage, that rate of interest percentage we have to find out. Here children, they have used compound interest. The word compound interest. So we have to use the formula for compound interest. So the formula for compound interest is A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N, where A stands for total amount including interest after the given number of years, where P stands for principal amount without interest. Principal amount without interest. So R stands for rate of interest at which they are charging. And N stands for number of years. For how many years they are calculating the interest, that stands for N. So this is the formula for compound interest. In the question, they have given the hint that in first year amount has become rupees 200. Amount has become rupees 200. Means A equal to rupees 200. So in the formula, in the place of A, we can keep 200. We don't know the principal amount. Let's keep it P as it is. 1 plus, we don't know the rate of interest. Let's keep it is as it is. But at the end of 1 year, they have given. So time, in the place of N, we can take 1. So 200 equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power 1. So this is the first case. At the end of second year, amount becomes 220. So in the place of A, we can substitute 220. P unknown value, R unknown value, number of years. Second year means we can take for 2 years. This is the second case. So we have got two formulas. With the help of two formulas, we can solve the problem. So let's divide equation 2 by equation 1. In equation 2 we have 220. In equation we have 200. If we divide 220 by 200 equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole square by P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power 1. So 1, if we have 1 in the power, no need to mention it. So PP gets cancelled. PP gets cancelled here. This will become like this. And same value, if you observe this fraction, we are having same numerator and same denominator. But in numerator it is 2 times. In denominator it is present only 1 time. So 1 time gets cancelled. We will be having only 1 plus R by 100 1 time in the numerator part. So this denominator part gets cancelled. This 2 will become 1. So the equation reduced to this one. Still after simplification, if we divide with 2, it will become 110 by 100. 110 by 100, which is equal to 1.1, which is equal to 1.1. 100 into 1, 100 plus R by 100, This is right hand side value. If we divide with 100, 100 into 1.1 will become 110. 110 equal to 100 plus R. Like this we can write. 100 will go that side. It will become 110 minus 100. Or we can write in reverse. R equal to 110 minus 100, which is equal to 10, which is equal to rate of interest equal to 10%. Like that, we can calculate the answer. So here children, the correct option is option C, which is 10%. Next children, second question. The sale price of a shirt is rupees 176. Discount of 20% is allowed on its market price. What is the market price of the shirt? Here children, market price is different, sale price is different. So when you visit any showroom during the festival time, you might be observing 50% flat discount like that. But MRP, market price, will be 100. Because of 50% discount, they may give it to you 50%, 50 rupees only. So market price will be fixed. Selling price will be depending. If it is festival, discount will come. If it is year-end, discount will come. Or old stock, discount will come. So that's why market price will be fixed, but selling price will be changing continuously depending on the conditions. So how they will change the price means based on this discount. They offer discount. Now the sale price of a shirt is rupees 176 and discount is 20%. How this 176 came means after allowing a discount of 20%, this selling price came. So this discount 20% is considered on what price? Market price. It is allowed on market price. Then we have to find out what is the market price of the shirt. What is the market price of the shirt? So they have given selling price. They have given discount. We have to find out the market price. So let X be the market price children. X be the market price. So market price equal to selling price plus discount. If we add selling price and discount, we will get the market price. 1 minute children. So here market price is X, selling price is 176, discount percent is 20% of market price, 20% of X. So X equal to 176 plus 20% of X means 20 by 100 into X, or 100 if you cancel, 0 0 cancel, 10 0.2 times 2. So we can take 0.2x. So this will go towards left hand side. X minus 0.2x equal to 176. 0.8x equal to 176. X equal to 176 by 0.8. Or we can remove the point. We can write 1760 by 8. 8 2 times 16. 1 remaining 16. 8 2 times 16. 8 0 times 0. 220 we will get. The market price will be rupees 220. So the correct answer is option D children. Next, let's see the third question. So the difference in SI and CI on a certain sum of money in 2 years at 15% interest per annum is 144. So difference in simple interest and compound interest for a certain sum of money which we don't know, let it be X, in 2 years means N or time is 2 years. rate of interest R equal to 15%. And the difference is 144. Amount they have not given. For X amount, they have calculated simple interest for 2 years at 15% interest. Then we have got some value S. Compound interest, we got some value I. Their difference is 144 rupees. Then find the sum or find the amount. So indirectly they are asking the question, children. Let's find out with the given hints. So time N they have given 2 years, rate of interest 15%. Let the sum of the money be P. Let the sum of the money be P. Not actual amount. Let the principal without including interest, the real amount is called principal. Let the principal be P. So what is the formula for compound interest? Amount minus principal. After calculating the total amount including interest, from that if we remove principal amount, then the remaining amount is called compound interest, A minus P. Let's take I in the place of compound interest, which is equal to A minus P. But what is the formula for amount? P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N, as per compound interest formula. Let's substitute the values. P in the P value we don't know. Let it be as it is. 1 plus rate of interest 15%. We have calculated for 2 years. So we have calculated for 2 years. Next. So this 100 into 1. 100 plus 15. 115. 115. This P will come inside. If P will come inside, P square, we can keep it as whole square. We can take this P inside. So 115 P by 100 whole square. 100 into 100 plus 15, 115. This P will come inside, it will become P square, but we are having whole square. That's why we can take only P. So 115 P by 100 whole square minus P. After simplification, if we cancel with 5, it will become 23 by 20. 23 by 20 P whole square minus P. We will get this. Or 23 P. 23 into 23. How much? 3 3 times 9. 3 2 times 6. 2 3 times 6. 2 2 times 4. We will get 529. So we will get 529 P square minus, by 400. 1 minute, children. A small mistake happened here, children. This P, if it go inside a square, it will become root actually, because P means we can write it as root P whole square. When P is going inside a square, then we have to mention it as root P. So here root P, children. Here also root P. Here root P whole square means square root gets cancelled. It will become 529P minus 400. So this total part will become 529P minus 400 minus P. So this 529P minus 400 into P, 400P by 400 we will get. So if we subtract, we will get 129P by 400. This is a compound interest formula. Simple interest. Simple interest also, if we calculate like this, simple interest formula is PTR by 100 or PRT by 100. P value we don't know. Rate of interest 15. Time value 2. P into 15 into 2 by 100. So 30. 30P by 100. 0 0 gets cancelled. 3P by 10 we will get. But compound interest minus simple interest difference is 144 given in the question. If we substitute the values, 129p by 400 minus 3p by 10 equal to 144. P we can take common. 129 by 400 minus 3 by 10 will remain. 410 LCM is 400. 400 1 times 400, 1 into 129, 129. 10 40 times 400, 40 into 3, 120 we will get. 129 minus 120 equal to 9. 9 by 400 will remain. This will come right hand side. Fraction will become reverse. It will become 400 by 9. If we multiply and divide, we will get 6400 as answer. So, the principal amount is 6400. So, option D is correct. Next question number 4. So, in what time will a sum of rupees 800 at 5% per annum compound interest amount to 882? Sum means here principal amount, children. Principal amount without interest. If you have a principal sum of rupees 800, if we calculate 5% interest per annum at a compound interest rate formula, then in how much time will it become rupees 822? That number of years we have to find out. Principal is 800, children. Amount is 882. Rate of interest is 5%. Let the number of years be n. This we have to find out. Let it be n. Then as per compound interest formula, p into 1 plus r by 100 whole power n. This is the formula. Let's substitute values. We will get 882 equal to 800 into 1 plus 5 by 100 whole by n. 520 times 100. 1 plus 1 by 20 whole power n. This will get. This 800 we can take to left hand side. It will become 882 by 800. Right hand side this will remain. If we divide with 4, 441 by 400 will come. This one 20 into 1 20 plus 1 21 by 20. After simplification we can write it as 21 by 20 whole power n. This 441 we can write it as 21 square. 400 20 square. So 21 by 20 whole square. On right hand side we have 21 by 20 whole power n. On left hand side and right hand side the bases are same. When the bases are same, the powers also will become equal. So n value will become 2. N is equal to 2. So the interest is compounded for 2 years. So compounded annually for how much period means 2 years period. So in 2 years period 800 became 822 at this rate of interest. So answer is option D, children. Next children, 5th question. What is the compound interest on rupees 8,000 for 1 year at 5% per annum payable half yearly? This is very, very important, children. If they give like this in any question, payable half yearly or payable quarterly, then situations will change. If they give payable half yearly means they are paying for 6 months now. So that's why the given rate of interest we have to make it half part. We have to make it half part. We have to take it 2.5. And time they are paying half yearly means in 1 year they are paying 2 times. So this time we have to consider for 2 years. So whenever they have given in question payable half yearly, we have to take rate of interest half of its value and we have to double the time, and we can use the same formula of compound interest, because the formula of compound interest, this formula is valid for 1 year, not for 6 months. So rate of interest, we are making it half, time we are making it double. So then we can use this formula. So they have given 8,000, time they have given 1 year, rate of interest 5% they have given, but payable half yearly, this condition they have given. So for calculating amount, principal is 8,000. Let's keep one as it is. Rate of interest is 5/2. In this 2 will come down. It will become 5/2 into 100. Time we will take 2. Means rate of interest halved and time doubled. Now we will get the answer. So 540 times 520 times 100, 22 times 40. Here we will get 40. So 40 into 1, 40 plus 1, 41/40. 41/40 whole square means 41/40 into 41/40. Let's 0, 0, 0, 0 gets cancelled. 4, 20 times 80, 4, 5 times 20. So 41 into 5 will remain. If you multiply all, we will get 8,405. This is the amount, total amount. But what is the interest? Only compound interest. From the total amount, initial principal we have to minus. So 8,405 minus 8,000, which is equal to 405, is the correct option. So option D is correct. Okay, children, that's all for today. Thank you, children. Have a great day.